What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can find your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. Looking for your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive is pretty straightforward. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to access and manage your WhatsApp backups, ensuring your chats are safely stored and easily retrievable. So first, let's go ahead and let's open up WhatsApp. And from here, let's tap on the three dots and go to Settings. Now here, let's tap on Chats and tap on Chat Backup. So in here, let's make sure that this Google account is the same account that we use for the Google Drive backup. Now let's exit from this and let's go ahead and open up Google Drive. Now from here, let's tap on the three bars in here and go to Backups. And here we can see under other backups, we can see WhatsApp backup. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.